In this video, we're going to see Cheryl get in and out of the aft pool on the Carnival Sunrise using the pool lift, coming up right after this. You can see Cheryl's got the pool attendant there raising the seat up a little bit because it's just a little too low for her with her long legs to sit down. That's one of the nice things about the way this works is you can set it at a height where it's comfortable to make the transfer. If you're transferring directly out of the chair, you can set it where it matches the chair height exactly. And so they're going to strap her in, and then we're going to watch them put her down into the pool. I did speed this video up by about 50% just so that it would flow a little quicker. So if everybody looks like they're moving quickly, that's why. Let's listen to some music while we watch them get her all wet. So as soon as she gets down in the water, she'll take the seatbelt off and she'll get over to the edge of the pool and she'll find somebody to talk to over there. As soon as we're done here, we're going to come back and get her out of the pool. She actually spent a little more time than that in the pool, but it was time from the video perspective to get out. So they'll bring the chair in and lower it down to a height that works for her. And she'll get in and put her seatbelt on like a good girl. And they'll lift her up and out. Now it's interesting where this is located. It looks like you might be able to use it to also put somebody into the hot tub. We didn't try that. Cheryl's not a huge fan of heights and she wasn't real thrilled with that idea, but I think that it does have enough space to reach. I think they probably have to take a segment of the rail out, but then they could put somebody in and out of the hot tub there as well. Anyway, we'll watch her come out. Do me a favor in the comments, let me know if you or somebody you know could use this kind of lift to get in and out of the pool, if it'd make their lives a little better and a little easier. I know for Cheryl, it really did. Also, if you got value out of the content, please go ahead and hit the like button. That'll let YouTube know it was worthwhile. They'll share it with more people. And in just a second, if you'll look down and check your subscribe button, if it is red, you'll see a picture of our face in the bottom left corner. If you click on that, that'll subscribe you to the channel. The box on the right has a playlist of other videos from Carnival Cruise Lines that you might really enjoy. We'll see everybody in the next video. Thanks for watching.